Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So at the start of the year I bought myself this 18 volt Einhell brushless drill driver. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this tool. Here is a small 18 volt cordless brushless drill driver. It's 18 volts and it works with the Power Exchange 1-for-all battery range. It's brushless. It has 40 Newton meters of power. That's pretty good considering the size of this drill. I'm quite excited to use it. It's very small and compact. Looks like a really nice little drill. Drill plus screw, so it's a drill driver. It's not a combi drill. It doesn't do hammer function into walls, etc. Electronic speed control. 2 gears, so you've got the fast and the slow speeds. It's ergonomically designed. It's got an LED on it, quite a nice big LED. And that is about it. It says Einhell Germany, German designed quality. So now let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. So inside the box you do just get the drill itself and the manual. There's no belt clip with this drill. So here is a closer look at the drill. This is 9 months in the future now. I've been using this drill for 9 months. Quite a lot actually. I've just had to give it a good clean because it was filthy. But here's a closer look at the drill, and as you can see, it is very small and compact in the hand. It's got this nice chunky fat handle that's rubberized, which is very comfortable in the hand. And the whole top of the drill is rubberized here and around the back to protect it if you drop it or knock it over. On the top of the drill there's 2 speed modes, 1 and 2. They work well. And then you've got the drill and drive. So I've got it in drill mode at the moment. If you're putting a screw into some wood, you've got the clutch settings here that you can work your way up to. It's got a convenient little window in the top, so you definitely know which one you're on, which is a nice little feature there. So the clutch goes from 1 all the way up to 19. It's very legible, very easy to see which setting you're in, and then you can go over to standard drill mode if you're drilling some pilot holes, that sort of thing. So here's a closer look at the keyless chuck, and as you can see it says on it that it will take drill bits from 0.8mm up to 10mm. So you can't use this with a 13mm bit. 10mm is the maximum. And I'm not sure whether this chuck assembly is plastic or metal because it feels like it might be coated in plastic. I'm not so sure. You can see there's some little marks there where I've been using it. So it's either coated in plastic with metal underneath or it's actually just hard plastic. I'm not sure. It's quick and easy to add a bit in this keyless chuck. We can just open it up, put the bit in, crank it down. There's no clicks as such when you put pressure on here. It locks in position like so. But there's plenty of resistance with the motor inside to get a real tight fixing. So we've got a basic trigger switch here and neutral position to lock the trigger, and then forwards and reverse also. And at the bottom here there's a light that comes on when you press the trigger. So a nice compact lightweight little drill. I'll add a battery, and the drill with the weight of the battery, this is a 2.5 amp hour battery, it sits firm, no chance of that falling over, as you can see. So let's listen to the trigger, see how sensitive it is. I'll put it on speed 1. seems to be 11 or 12 or so different speeds on the trigger, so you can get a nice fine movement with the trigger, as you can see. Really slow, and also on the second speed I think there's even 13 speeds on that one, but you can get a nice precise movement on the trigger. You can take it nice and slow, not so you don't split wood or damage anything. Very good, and it's very easy to switch between 1 and 2. So now to see how much this drill weighs. No battery, 797 grams, so well under a kilo. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So my impressions on this drill, I've been using it for around 9 months or so now, quite a lot. It helped me to put together a large Keta shed. I used it as sort of like a cordless screwdriver for that. I've used it to help me to build a fence at the back of my garden, and multiple other projects I've used it quite a lot, and I find it to be a very nice little compact drill driver. It's got plenty of power. I like the 2-speed modes, they work well. You can be very delicate with the trigger so as not to split wood, so it's very accurate in that sense. Very usable, the light is adequate on it, battery life is excellent because it's brushless, and it packs a punch considering the size of it. It's well under a kilo in weight, so it's nice and light, and it's got this nice chunky fat handle to grip onto, which just makes it really comfortable to use. One thing I don't like too much about it is the size of the chuck at the end here. It can be a little bit awkward to tighten down on a drill bit because there's not too much to grab onto here. There are ridges here for grip, but I've just found that it's quite awkward to grab. It's not that much space. And I've also noticed that if you use a drill bit for a considerable amount of time with this one, the bit tends to come loose over time, so you have to retighten it. But apart from that, I think it's a really nice drill. Not much else to say about it really. I wouldn't let that put you off. It just needs a retightening every now and again to keep the bit nice and tight. It does work its way loose eventually, but apart from that, it's very nice. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.